Are you as sick of seeing me in front of plastic as I am sitting in front of plastic? Well, it's no secret that Target is one of my favorite stores to shop at. I went in for bathroom wipes. They're a family favorite. A little story about these. They sell these in 480 count. It comes in a box, so you get 8 packs. They sell it for $13.99, and they sell these, a 4-pack, 240 count, for $6.49. So it's actually cheaper to buy 2 4-packs than to buy a box of 8 packs. It's like almost $1 less to buy it like this. And I find that strange because usually the bigger you go, the cheaper it is because it's less packaging. The store saves money, then you save money, but I don't know what Target's trying to pull, but I caught on. So if you buy their wipes, take that into consideration if you want to try them, because they're one of the best bathroom wipes out there. Now you know, don't buy the big box. And I also went in for this because I saw it in the ad for this week. These sound so delicious. They're the original peanut butter cups, but on top they have a mallow top, which is a marshmallow flavored cream. They're naturally flavored, but they're also artificially flavored. So I'm assuming maybe the mallow is the artificial. I also needed some salsa for tonight's dinner, so I grabbed this Chi-Chi's restaurant style mild salsa. I make the most delicious Crockpot chicken stew. It is so yummy. I'll insert a clip of it now. I use a chicken taco seasoning for it. Sometimes if I can't find it, I just use regular taco seasoning. But I noticed that this one there today while I was grabbing the salsa. So I'm gonna try this one today. I don't know how long this has been around, but this is the first time I've seen a taco seasoning mix for chorizo. I have a full vlog on that Crockpot chicken stew. If you want the recipe, you can watch it through my end screen. True to fashion with all us Target shopping lovers, you can never just go into Target and come out with a few things or just what you went in for. I mean, they don't make those memes for nothing, right? They had these frosted sugar cookie St. Patrick themed cookies. I bought these for Valentine's Day too. I saw it on TikTok where you take the little mini waffles and you put these in there. They were a big hit with my son, so I picked up another package so I can make it for him again. Speaking of my son, currently these are the 2 favorite granola bars that he likes now, and they ended up putting them both together. You get 7 Llama Rama and 7 Sloth-tastic. They had their Easter candy section out already, and I found this there. It's cotton candy with Pop Rocks. How cool is that? This mug was from Bullseye's Playground. I'm not too sure about the saying. It's not my favorite, but I loved the shape of the mug, and I love the inside. I love the green. It was only $3. For the first time ever, I did some St. Patrick's decorating. If you want to watch that, you can click right on the iCard when you're done here, and it'll take you straight to that upload. Also in the Bullseye's Playground section, I found this, I guess, is it a tiered tray? Yeah, tiered tray. I was surprised to see it because we hardly ever get the tiered trays around here. And when I saw this, I immediately thought of my pantry. My pantry, we built our pantry, well, we're almost done building our pantry. It's about 3/4 done. It's so exciting. I've been filming that whole process, and once it's done, I'm gonna film the organization on it. So if you are not subscribed, make sure you hit that bell. Also hit the all notifications. just to make sure YouTube puts it in your inbox. And if you are already subscribed, make sure that that bell notification for the all choice is on. So what I'm thinking for this tier tray is I'm going to house all my seasonings that I don't use very often, or ones that I bought and don't really like and don't plan on repurchasing. The ones I use all the time, I keep in the kitchen near the stove, but the ones that I rarely ever reach for, I keep in the pantry because I don't need it by my side daily. So I figured I would just house them all here, thinking it's gonna look really nice, and it was only $5. Pretty decent size. I think they really priced this really well for only $5. I like to buy their deli meats because they come in these plastic containers. Once I'm done with the meat inside of it, I wash these and I reuse these. They hold up really well on the top rack of the dishwasher too. All three of these are ultra thin sliced. So I got the roast beef. This one might be new. I don't remember seeing it there, but this one's chicken breast with rotisserie style seasonings. And then I got the bigger container, and this one is uncured black forest ham. For the past 2 summers now, I have been looking for one of these that the straps aren't exactly bra straps. Now it does have the bra strap under it, but it's covered with lace, and that's what I love. So when I have it on under a tank top, and a lot of tank tops usually end up showing our bra strap, I figured it would look a little bit more cleaner with lace than just a bra strap. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. I do that all the time, every summer. But I figured if I ever found something like that, I would feel more put together. So I also like the way it goes in the back, and then it has that lace detail going down, and it is a little padded, which I'm happy that it's not that thick, because I really do not like really big, thick padded bras. And it was $15. I didn't find that bad at all. They had it in white, but unfortunately they didn't have my size, or I would have picked up a white one too. Pretty. So pretty. Since Live the Life You Love is all about spending as little out of pocket as possible, I've been doing this new thing where I've been sharing everything that I buy, the subtotals, the savings, and the total I've been spending individually, and what I've been spending in a whole week. Now, as much as I love Target, it is one of those stores where you can go in there and save depending on the Target Circle sales, coupons, and gift cards, or it's one of those stores that you basically leave your shirt there because everything was expensive and there was nothing really that you would constitute as a deal. So I'm going to include the totals for this Target haul at the end of the week, so come back in a few days to see what the totals were for this particular shop and everything else I spent this week. And saved. Don't forget save. Don't forget the recipe for that Crockpot chicken stew will be in the end screen. Give this video a thumbs up from me. It just lets me know that you want to keep watching. Again, that St. Patrick's Decorate With Me is in the iCard if you want to watch that. Thanks for being here, my friend. Bye.